How to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete a shortcut on Snapchat, it's actually very simple to do so. So right here you can see I've added a particular shortcut to a certain chat over here, and what if now I would like to delete that shortcut? Well, I can just come to Snapchat, long press on it, go to chat settings, and here you can see pin shortcut to home screen, and I have added that on my home screen. Now you can remove this just the way you remove any of the other applications, that is by simply long pressing on it, and you'll find the option called remove. In some of the Android phones you might want to drag and you might find the remove option at the top or wherever else, but on my Samsung device I will just long press it, I'll tap on the remove option, and that shortcut will get successfully removed. This way you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.